The Southwest got a lot of rain, but today, dry.
We had dry conditions, but one thing that's very interesting to note, the reason Arizona, Southern California had all that flooding, it was the remnant moisture of Hurricane Dolores. Really? It was a hurricane that came off the west coast of Mexico. It stayed south of Cabo San Lucas, and then as it fell apart, it sent surges of moisture northward into the desert Southwest, generating that horrendous flooding.
But apparently we don't have to worry about that.
No, it's pretty, and it's affected Utah as well. They've had quite a bit of rain across Utah, but here in the southwestern part of the state, it was not an issue for us, friends. That fetch of moisture stayed well to the south and to the east of our location, and what we've been enjoying for the last few days has been just phenomenal weather. This is a live shot that we have right now from the top of Brundage, and it is beautiful up there. Blue skies and sunshine like we had on Saturday and Sunday. Very, very nice conditions indeed. And on the Doppler radar, the only real place I can find any shower activity, there's Burley, and there's the freeway going down, and there's looks like extreme southeastern Idaho working its way into Box Elder County of northern Utah. There's a little shower out there. So the temperature reading has been 95 degrees so far today. That's been 2 degrees above the average of 93 degrees for this date, and the record stands at 108 degrees set back in 1931. Now the temperature readings, that is the high so far, so we're still holding hot temperatures right now. Nampa's at 93, Caldwell 97, Mountain Home 95, and McCall right now is very nice at 81 degrees. So this is the moisture of old Hurricane Dolores. You can see that moisture still stretching pretty much from the mountains of central California into the desert southwest, and most of this moisture is going to continue to track off to the north and to the east. For us, what I'm looking at is this nice dry swath of air that is in place across the Pacific Northwest and affecting much of the state of Idaho. It's going to be with us once again tomorrow. We will have lots of sunshine. Temperatures are going to be hot, probably not quite as hot as it was today, maybe a degree or two cooler, but it's still going to be quite warm. Then this little feature up here that's developing off the coastline of British Columbia is a storm that's going to be glancing by on Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to help to cool temperatures a little bit, and it may help to generate a couple of showers in the afternoon on Wednesday and Thursday. Otherwise, it won't do much to our weather here in the southwestern part of the state. So futurecast through the day tomorrow, mostly dry conditions. Here's some of that moisture that's starting to gather courtesy of that system that's going to be coming in from the northwest. And there you can see what happens on Wednesday. I think we'll see a little more cloud cover. Certainly in the mountains, we'll see a scattering of showers and isolated thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. For us in the Treasure Valley, it'll be very hit and miss with little pockets of rain, maybe a couple of storms here and there. And then things dry out. This is the good point. Things dry out in time for the weekend. I think the weather is going to be phenomenal once again this weekend. So the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley will drop those temperatures on Wednesday and Thursday with a little more cloud cover down into the 80s. And then on Friday back up to 93 Saturday and Sunday. Sunny skies with highs in the mid-90s. The mountains are going to be seeing sunny skies tomorrow, a little better chance of some afternoon showers and storms on Wednesday, maybe a few storms Thursday afternoon. But as you hook up the trailer and you head up to those hills, it's going to be nice late Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looks like a nice weekend to be up in the mountains. I was up there this weekend and it was absolutely phenomenal. Breathtaking.
Perfect. Yeah.
Beautiful.
2 days on the river.
Yeah.
And you survived it.
Survived it. I can't move my arms, but I survived it.
Fantastic.